how to sell virtual fitness classes on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products in this platform. So basically guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your products, or where you can create your shop page to sell your own products. So as you can see here, there are a lot of products to buy. So those all are sellers for their products, and most of these products, as you can see, are handmade. So like those earrings, those other earrings, and as you can see, these or those clothes. So here let's just check one of these shop pages to show you what I'm talking about. So here we have these pictures. So basically in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one, how you can price your product, and how you can upload those pictures, also how you can write these details and this description also. So I'm just going to show you all of that in the coming minutes. So here let's just close this tab and let's go back to the page, click on sign in, and here type your email and your password, and if you don't have an account just click on register, then click on sign in, and here we go to the top right, click on shop manager button, then let's start from the beginning, and here we have 6 steps to go through to create our shop page. So here we start with the language, country, and currency, which are the shop preferences. So here we just change the currency and we leave everything else like that. Then we click on save and continue, and then we give a name to our shop. So here I'm just going to delete the spaces and shorten the name a little bit, and then we make it unique, then click on save and continue. Sorry guys, this is not the name I wanted to choose. So here the name is virtual fitness classes. So just delete the spaces and just shorten it again, and then click on save and continue. As you can see, the name is this time is already unique, so just click on save and continue, and then you create a listing, you add some photos and details about your item, you fill out what you can. For now you will be able to edit this later. So guys, if you even made a mistake in the listing, it's not a problem, you can edit it later. But if you leave one of the obligatory sections empty, you won't be able to continue to the next step. As you can see, fill out all of the required fields correctly in order to preview or save. So here, as you can see, please upload at least one photo or picture. So you will need at least one photo of your product, and you have some tips to help you with that. Use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And then you have the video. If you have a video of your product, you can upload it. If not, you can make one following these quick tips, like film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim 1480 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, just click on this link. And guys, no, this is not an obligatory section. It's not like the pictures. If you have a video, that's good. If not, it won't make any problem. And then we have the listing details section. Here you type the title of your product, and then you answer who made it, if you did, or a member of your shop, or another company or person. Then what is it, a finished product, and when did you make it, if it's vintage, before 2004, or if it's recently, or if it's not made yet. So it's just go with recently, and then you choose the category of your product. Just type your product's name or your niche's name, then you choose from these categories the one that fits you, and then you have some other additional details to go through. So for me they are optional, so I'm just going to leave them to later. Then you have the renewal options, if you want an automatic renewal or a manual one. Then the type of your product, if it's a physical product or a digital product, so let's go with digital. And then you have the description. So here guys, if you want to get a good description, just go to your competitors, the shop page of your competitors that sell the same product as you do, and take their description, take it to ChatGPT, and add some other additional details about your product, and it will make it unique. Then drop it in this section. Or you can just start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners, if you have them. If not, just leave it empty. And then we have these three additional sections which are optional, so let's just leave them for later. And here you have to put a price for your product, so make sure to count your prices accurately and make sure to leave a good profit for you. Then you type in the quantity that you have in that product. If you have 20 pieces, put 20 pieces, 3 put 3, as much as you have, just type it. Then you have the SKU number, which is optional. Personalization, if you want to turn it on, and here you upload your digital file. You click on the upload file here. You can add up to 5 more files, but at least you will need 1 file to move on to the next step. And then last but not least, you have the return and exchanges policy. So here in the digital products, there is no returns or exchanges. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.